Hello everyone, welcome to the Eyelashes online channel. My name is Victoria. In this issue I ran into very large gaps in the eyelashes and will try to fix it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel, there are a lot of interesting releases ahead. Let's get to the recap. As soon as I looked at the lashes, the first thing that caught my eye was the lack of a great number of lashes. Look at the center part of the left eye. There are almost no lashes at a distance of 7 mm, and those that are there are 1 to 2 mm long. The first thing I told the girl was that you can't do extensions on such lashes. But the girl said that she had a birthday coming up, and she would still do the extension elsewhere if I refused to perform the procedure. So I decided to perform the process, on the condition that after her birthday she would take them off and restore them. The request from the girl was for eyelid lengthening. Specifically, she wanted to do a foxy effect. If you draw a line, you can see that the outer and inner parts are almost on the same axis, so I decided not to weight the outer part of the eye and make a soft fox, this way distributing the length. We chose lashes in curl C, lengths from 6 to 11, thickness 007. I will also perform a combination of colors, black and blue. Then, we had a discussion, why did the girl lose so many eyelashes? The first thing I asked was whether she rubbed her eyes, whether she pulled her eyelashes, whether there was any discomfort during wear from the eyelashes made by the previous master, to all of which she answered no. So, I started to ask what parameters she had done before. She said that she did more often 14 length, volume 4-5D, that she does not like short eyelashes. I hope that the masters who watch me understand that on such eyelashes to perform extensions for -5D and 14 lengths is not useful at all. It is not clear how will it take this girl to restore natural eyelashes, and whether they will return to their former condition. It happens this way looks like eyelashes, due to any treatment. Also you can see the same situation with aged women, with age eyelashes on the eyes become less. But in this case, as I think, it was the fault of the previous master. Unfortunately, I have not seen the past work, as the girl made her own removal at home and therefore I cannot say 100% that it is the fault of the master. But once I have already seen a similar situation, only the girl lost 30% of the native eyelashes, because of the fact that the master performed extensions without a margin, and with more glue glued the fans directly on the eyelid, and because of this formed a clove of glue. A year after such extensions, eyelashes just stopped growing in parts. I wonder where they teach masters to do the extension without indentation. I actually did not meet such training, but for 7 years of work as a master of eyelash extensions, I found such masters even more than once. Write in the comments whether you got to such masters. I personally cannot and one day to pass with such extensions. Even before becoming a master, I got to such masters, and already in the process of the procedure felt how each eyelash rests on my eyelid, and of course I did not know that extension cannot be performed in such way. Then I rubbed my eyes, and artificial eyelashes from the mechanical impact fell out with my eyelashes, but I did not get such extensions often, so my eyelashes are fine. I also want to note that with such gaps it won't be possible to make beautiful transitions and an even eyelash line. In such an extension, the main task is to close the gaps with artificial eyelashes. My recommendation to masters: leave some space. This is a very important criterion in eyelash extensions. You must take care of your clients and perform the procedure in such a way that the client was as comfortable as possible to walk for a month with eyelash extensions. I hope this episode was helpful to you. Be sure to give me a like, comment, and see you soon.